For day traders, I will give you some tips on how to dominate binary options with this simple strategy. No indicators needed, just only yourself and presence of mind. Okay, first, change the time frame to Heikin Ashi. Then, change the current candle time to 5 seconds. Okay, this strategy works on any trending currency pair, like this one. Better to have our DreamX indicator and use the 4-hour time frame to know the trend of the currency. The candle bar is on its red candle bar, but before its trend, see the candle bar before and it goes uptrend. This works on any currency pair. We have to trade and go for higher on this. Make sure that the currency is in its trending state. Just try this strategy on a demo account first and see profitable results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button and updates trading with pocket options and other binary options broker.